Okay guys, welcome. In this lesson I'm going to show you how we can actually post on Instagram, so how we can post a video or an image. Now, if you already know how to do this, feel free to skip this lesson. This is really aimed at people who haven't really used Instagram before, so I just want to show them how they can post on Instagram. So here we are inside of my Instagram account, the test account that I created in the beginning. Now to post on Instagram, what we're going to do is we're going to come down to the bottom here and we're going to press the middle icon, the plus icon. So we're just going to press that and it's going to give us all of the images that are stored on our phone. So we can we can break this down and we can record a video, we can take a picture, or we can look in the library. So we can go through our pictures and find the one we want. I'm just going to use this test example of Jurassic World that I've just found. So I'm just going to hit next and it's going to take us onto the editing option. So here we can change the look of our image. If we want our image to have a certain type of look or feel, we can change this using the filters that are given to us by Instagram. So we just go through, there's a ton of them in here, but I'm just going to keep it on normal so you can go through and see which one you prefer and how it makes your picture look or a video look. We can change the brightness of our picture by clicking at the top there. We can edit our image, so we can adjust, so we can crop this out like so. We can also change the brightness, contrast. As you can see, we've got a fair few structures here. We can change the warmth. So Instagram does give us a lot of features that we can use to edit our pictures. So we can also add some color to our pictures. We can do tons of other things like highlights, shadows. So it is worth playing around with this, seeing how you can get your picture to look. I wouldn't spend too much on it, and you don't want to over edit your images in Instagram as they could end up looking a little funny. But if you just want to add a little bit of brightness or sharpen your image up, then here is a great place that you can do it. Now do keep in mind, when you are actually on Instagram, you can actually add some color to your picture. So research has shown that images with blue in them tend to do a lot better in Instagram. I'm not too sure why, but the research shows that images with blue in them tend to do better in terms of engagement. So what we don't want to do is we don't want to just add a blue filter and make it look stupid trying to get engagement, as obviously that's not going to work. But if we can add some blue in, this is a great way we can do it. But if we do have an image that has a lot of blue in it already, then that's even better. But obviously, if it's just going to make our picture look stupid, then we don't want to do it. It's obviously just a little bit of research that's been done that's shown this. Obviously, what determines how much engagement you're going to get is how good the picture is to begin with. So it's not going to make too much difference, but just keep that in mind. Once we've done editing all of this image, we're just going to hit next at the very top. And here is where we can write our caption. So this is the description that's going to come below the image. We can also tag people, so we can tag people that we're following in this image. Just going to hit done. We can also add locations. This is an extremely important, especially if we're a business. We can add a location and then people can see images that have been posted to this location. So I'll show you what I mean in just a moment, but for now I'm just going to add Louisville. So adding locations are extremely important, and then we can hit share. Instagram also makes it very easy for us to share to our Facebook page, our Tumblr page, and our Twitter page just by turning these on. But of course we have to connect our Twitter, Tumblr, and Facebook accounts first. But once we do that, we can just hit share, and this is just gonna post it to our Instagram account. So as you can see, that's been posted on our Instagram account. Here you're going to see the comments that have been added, who's liked it. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to look at places. So we're just going to go to the search icon, which is the second from the left. We're going to hit on search at the very top, and we're going to go to places, hit Lewisville, Texas, that we used for the last image that we put in. And as you can see, our picture is appearing in this places tag. So this is going to be extremely important for businesses. People can find our images based on where we've tagged them. So just keep that in mind when you come to post on Instagram. So there we go, guys, easy enough to set up. Another feature I just want to show you is we can select multiple pictures to come up on our Instagram. So I'm just going to quickly just show you. So I hit share on that. So I've added multiple pictures to this post. So once it's posted, as you can see, all these pictures that I've added are now showing. So people can just scroll through, and we can now add multiple images to one post. So this is a relatively new feature in Instagram, but quite a cool and handy one. So there we go, guys, simple enough. That's how we add images and videos to Instagram.